1, 2, 3, go!
Hi everyone, this is Janet. I'm going to making today Yeungeun Jorim.
What's a Yeungeun Jorim?
We call lotus root.
Okay, and it's braised lotus fruits. That's what we're making.
Yes,
Okay, let's do it.
let's do it. I show you first. This looks like it before peels.
Is it rotten? No, it's okay.
No.
Okay.
First of all, I'm going to peel the 껍질,
The kopje means skin.
skin.
Okay.
For the this like that.
Okay.
Ah.
So we just finished peeling. Now what?
Now I have to rinse.
So you have 4, hey? 4 pieces?
Small. Then I have to cutting at next.
Oh, your oven storage. What are you getting out of there?
For pot. I don't know. I don't want it to you.
That's where she stores her pots. She has all this shelf space, but she puts it in the oven.
Every mom does do.
Every Korean mom?
Oh, I'm not sure. Maybe Western mommy too.
No, Western mommies, no.
No? Oh,
No.
I'm not fancy.
It's okay. So, how thick are you going to slice it?
I'm going to slicing for about half centimeter.
Okay, it's about a 1/4 inch, half centimeter.
Yeah.
All right.
This much.
Uh-huh.
Looks like that. Isn't it pretty?
Very pretty. So, Mom, some are full shaped and some are cut in half. No problem?
No problem.
Okay.
No problem. Whatever I want to do, I do.
Exactly. Some people
I
have
go-
so many rules when they cook. Just do whatever you want,
I
right?
I'm never use measuring cup.
I know. We know that from the last video.
I never had any rules.
No rules.
No rules.
If it tastes good, it's fine, right?
Yeah,
Screw the rules.
It's freedom. You want to do whatever you want to do, you do it.
Exactly.
Then after I put it in water
How much water are you putting in?
until 이거 다 잠길 만큼.
So you bring it up to the top.
On top. Then I put it on a stove. I put it in a little bit of vinegar.
Oh, you put vinegar now?
Vinegar and a little bit of salt and boiling.
Okay, so let's do that.
Okay.
All right.
I got some vinegar.
Where's the vinegar?
Don't. That's any kind of cheap kind of vinegar.
Any kind of cheap vinegar? All
Yeah.
right. What kind of vinegar? You're using apple cider
Apple
vinegar.
cider.
What-
Superstore brand, no name brand apple cider.
Can you use just regular white vinegar?
Yeah, you can use regular white vinegar too.
But why are you? What does the vinegar do if you put it in?
Those kind of bitter.
Oh, so this is a little bit bitter.
Yeah.
Okay, so the.
So, I don't know why. So,
Oh, you don't know why? Just
so
do it.
full of vinegar. I think it tastes better this
Oh,
way.
okay.
So, long time ago, my mom teach me.
Well then that's okay.
Yeah, I put it in 1 spoon of
One
whole
okay.
spoon of
Okay,
salt.
Yeah, just a bunch of salt. Just peel it out. That's okay.
Then I put it in high.
Are you gonna bring that up to a boil?
Yeah, up to boil. Just boil. Then we rinse again.
And then rinse again?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be back in 10 minutes.
We'll be back. I will be back at 10 minutes.
10 minutes is up?
Yeah. So when ready for boiling, just turn it off light stove like this. Okay.
Yeah.
Bring to sink. Drain it.
Oh yeah. Okay. Are you rinsing with cold water?
Yeah. Cold water. Just rinse
Oh, you're just rinsing it.
until cool down.
Time to prepare the Yeungeun, which means the marinade. What's that?
Soy sauce.
Kikkoman soy sauce?
Kikkoman soy sauce.
Well, how much do you put in?
About two.
About 3 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
2.5. 2 to 3 tablespoons. Okay.
About this.
Yeah.
Okay. Too much stuff in here.
What's that?
Garlic.
How much garlic are you getting, Ma?
I usually using so much garlic, so 1 tablespoon. 1.5.
Yeah, that's about 2 tablespoons
No.
of minced garlic. 100%.
1.5.
That's about 2 tablespoons. Okay, yeah, that's about 2 tablespoons of finely minced garlic and about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Oh, the beef dashida again.
Beef dashida.
Do you use that for everything?
Everything.
Oh,
Tastes
wow.
better.
Tastes better.
Yeah.
So just a dash of that. Maybe quarter
And
teaspoon, half a teaspoon.
for about
What's that?
cooking oil.
Cooking oil? What kind of oil do you use?
Canola cooking oil.
Canola oil? Okay,
Yeah.
so
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
About 2 tablespoons.
alright.
And sugar.
And some sugar.
이거 크네.
Sugar and the coffee crisp ice cream.
Ice cream
Wait, hey,
content.
wait.
1 and
What
2.
Oh, this is your second tablespoon?
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Then turn it on heat at the medium.
Medium heat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I need some little bit of water in here.
When are you gonna put the water in?
Now.
Now?
Oh, chunk of garlic
Oh,
in
there's
here.
that garlic chunk, yeah.
Oh. Let me taste it. Good one.
Okay, so you're just gonna taste to see if it's good? Alright, so that's how you taste if it's...
Yummy.
Yeah, it's good? Alright, nice hand measurement. 손맛.
Ah, I better put some water.
Yeah, how much water we need? Okay, your dishwasher storage.
Ah, maybe I can use for this one. Oh, fancy.
It's a fancy.
That's Amy's
Amy
maybe.
is my wife's measuring cup that we just
Maybe we put it in
bought.
about.
You're actually taking a measurement? What?
No, usually I put it in whatever I wanted to put it in. No measurement.
Well, how much are you putting in?
I'm
What
not
does it
sure.
say?
That's here. 1 cup.
1 cup? Okay, we're gonna put 1 cup of water.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Give that a nice mix.
Nice mix.
And that's on medium heat again. You know
Yeah.
what? That smells really nice.
Smells
Garlic,
very good.
soy.
Soy.
Okay, but that's okay.
So then I have to put it all in here.
Alright. So we're putting the lotus roots into that mixture there. So now you're gonna joryo.
Yeah,
So
joryo.
joryo means braise. Okay,
Put
so
it low.
once it starts to boil, you drop the heat to low.
Low.
Yeah, do you put the lid on and braise it?
Yeah.
How long does it go for?
Until that juice getting thicker.
So right now it's like a liquid. So as it reduces, this is gonna become thicker.
Thicker.
And then that's how you know it's
sticky.
done? Okay.
Sticky and thick.
Sticky and thick. Are you gonna add any more ingredients or is that
After
it?
that, I'm going to put some secret ingredients.
Secret ingredients, yes! We're all about secrets. Give us your secrets.
It's not a secret. I just say.
You just say.
가끔 이렇게 뒤집어줘.
가끔 뒤집어. So
Occasionally,
occasionally just give it a
turn
stir.
it over.
Yeah, turn it over. Just give it a nice stir every now and then so it doesn't burn. That's the wrong lid. Okay, we're gonna get this lid. Oh yeah.
This one is
that's
wrong
That's
too.
the wrong one too, but it'll work. Are you gonna wait for that, or are you gonna play your casino games on your iPhone?
I'm going to gaming.
Oh, it's gaming time. Okay, we'll be back in a few minutes. An
Okay,
instant for
few
you.
minutes.
Okay, it's boiling now.
Oh, then I'm going to stir one more time. Oh, looks yummy.
It smells really yummy. It smells garlic, soy. It's got this earthiness to it. Drop it to low. Let it simmer.
Okay, let's see. Oh,
Oh, what's happening?
already for
Oh, the liquid's almost
no
gone.
juice.
No juice.
While I gaming,
While you're gaming.
the heat going to very low.
Okay, very low, yeah.
Then I put it in the bowl.
Oh, you're not gonna add more water or anything?
No water.
No? Okay, what's this?
The 요리당.
Is this mulya?
물엿.
Well, what is mulya? I'll write it down in the description what it is.
Okay.
So she's gonna put some yoridan or mulya. I'll figure what that is in English. How much you putting in? Okay.
Whatever.
About three tablespoons? Okay, 3 tablespoons.
3 or 4 tablespoons.
Okay, so this is kind of like a sweet syrup, right?
Yeah, sweet syrup.
Syrup.
Then this going to be.
Not too sweet though.
It's sweet.
Is it super
It's sweet.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah.
Like sugar,
Yeah.
but it's makes shiny and taste it little better than before. Sesame oil.
Seeds. All right. Okay, I'll watch the measurement here.
1 tablespoon.
Okay, about 1 tablespoon or 1.5, right, roughly.
And
then,
this one same.
what's that? Oh,
Sesame seed.
You're just putting it all over.
That's it.
That's it. You're
That's
just gonna mix it,
Mix it. Done.
and that's it.
Cook it about 10 more minutes.
10 more
Simmer.
minutes.
Simmer.
Okay. Okay, are we ready?
Ready?
Is that it?
Let's see.
Let's see. Oh,
Oh, looks good.
looks really good.
Looks good.
It smells good
yeah.
too.
This juice is getting sticky,
Sticky?
later when it get cold.
Yeah. I thought it was gonna get thicker.
Thicker.
Oh,
thicker.
wait, right. It gets thicker as it
When
cools
I put
down.
it, yeah, when I put in for the 요리당, yeah,
And do you eat this warm or cold?
cold,
Oh, this is best enjoyed cold.
cold,
Oh,
not warm.
Okay. Yeah.
Oops, oops. Okay, let's taste.
All right. Taste it, Mom.
Very good.
Very good?
See, look,
Let me try. Oh,
yummy.
yeah. I like that. Very good.
Good job.
Good job. Fantastic.
좋아요 눌러주고 구독도 해주세요.
Yeah.
Bye, everyone.